Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Shikha Sambarkar and today our topic is Computer Network Part 23. Under this topic, today we will discuss about our subtopic Network Security Concepts. This video is helpful for class 12 CBSE students, those who have opted Computer Science and Informatics Practices as an optional subject, and some other students also can watch the video, those who are interested in this computer network field. So let's start our topic, network security concepts. In your syllabus, there are some points included here. Threats and prevention from viruses, worms, Trojan horse, spams. Use of cookies, protection using firewall, HTTPS, India IT Act, cyber law, cyber crimes, IPR issues, hacking. So we will discuss all these points one by one here. First, we will see some points: viruses, worms, Trojan horse and spams. So first point is computer virus. It is a malicious program that requires a host and is designed to make a system sick just like a real virus. As you all are aware about the term virus, nowadays coronavirus and coronavirus is going on everywhere, and you all are aware about the effect of virus, how dangerous this virus. So just like that, here the term is computer virus. It is a malicious program that requires a host, or we can say system or computer, and is designed to make a system sick. So it is like a real virus. Now second point is Trojan horse. A Trojan horse is a code hidden in a program. Trojan horse, it's a code hidden in a program, such as a game or a spreadsheet that looks safe to run but has hidden side effects. So we can say it's a hidden in a program. This Trojan horse, it is also a code and hidden in a program, and it looks safe. It looks safe to run, but it has hidden side effects. So these generally are spread through email and exchange of disks and information between computers. Next, third point is worm. A worm is a program designed to replicate. We can say multiply. So this worm is a program designed to replicate or multiply. The effect: worms are programs that run independently and travel from computer to computer across network connections. Worms could also spread Trojan horses. And next point is spam. It refers to electronic junk mail or junk newsgroup postings. Some people define spam even more generally as any unsolicited email. And Merriam-Webster defines spam as unsolicited, usually commercial email sent to a large number of addresses. So this is an example of spam. So these are the points. Now prevention. First point is never use a foreign disk or CD without scanning it for viruses. Okay, so without scanning, don't use any disk, or we can say pen drives, or whatever device you are using. Don't you use it without scanning. Second point, always scan files downloaded from the internet or other sources. If you are downloading a file, then first scan the file. After that, download the file. Third point, never boot your PC from a CD unless you are certain that it is virus free. Fourth point, protect your disk. Fifth point, use licensed software. Sixth point, password protect your PC to prevent unattended modification. Seventh point, make regular backups. Eighth point, install and use antivirus software. Ninth point, keep antivirus software up to date. So not only the installation of antivirus, but it should be up to date also. So these are the prevention. You all are aware about all these terms. Now the next point is use of cookies and hacking. These two terms are also general terms, you all are aware. So cookies are messages that a web server transmits to a web browser. Web browser, we can say any suppose Google Chrome or Internet Explorer or any other web browser you are using. So cookies are messages that a web server transmit to a web browser so that the web server can keep track of the user's activity on a specific website. If you are using a website, at that time the web server will transmit cookies, and the web server can keep track of the activities of your activities, and next time you will get the websites like that only. So this cookies are just messages that a web server transmits to a web browser. And hacking, there are two terms actually, crackers and hackers. So crackers are the malicious programs who break into secure systems. Crackers are the malicious programs who break into secure systems, we can say intentionally. And whereas hackers are more interested in gaining knowledge. Hackers, you know about hacking courses also. So hacking is hackers are more interested in gaining knowledge. They learn hacking for gaining knowledge also, knowledge only. So these crackers are malicious programs who break into secure systems, whereas hackers are more interested in gaining knowledge about computer systems and possibly using this knowledge for playful pranks. So this is hacking. Now the next is protection using firewall. Firewall, you also aware, uh, firewall system designed to prevent unauthorized access to or from a private network is called firewall. So this firewall, it is used or it is designed to prevent from unauthorized access. Unauthorized access, or we can say private networks. So second point here, firewalls can be implemented in both hardware and software or combination of both. And firewalls are frequently used to prevent unauthorized internet users from accessing private networks connected to the internet, especially intranets. All messages entering or leaving the intranet pass through the firewall, which examines each message and blocks those that do not meet the specified criteria. There are several types of firewall techniques like packet filter, application gateway, proxy servers, circuit level gateway. So this firewall, this is a system designed to prevent from unauthorized access. Now the next point is HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. I have discussed about this in my previous videos also. So this HTTPS, S stands for secure. Hypertext Transfer Protocol secure, and you can see the images. You can see one image here. This HTTP, that red circle is showing the HTTPS, means secure connection, and that red circle with cross sign, so it is showing only HTTP. HTTP is unsecured connection. So this HTTP is the set of rules for transferring hypertext, that is text, graphic, image, sound or video, etc. on WW or World Wide Web. The HTTP protocol consists of two fairly distinct items. First is the set of requests from browsers to servers, and second is the set of responses going back to the other way. So you can see here HTTPS Hypertext Transfer Protocol secure. Now the next term is India IT Act and IT Amendment Act 2008. There are some points related to this act. In India, the cyber laws are enforced through Information Technology Act 2000, that is IT Act 2000, which was notified on 17th October 2000. It is based on the United Nations Commission for International Trade Related Laws model law. Second point here, IT Act 2000's prime purpose was to provide legal recognition to electronic commerce and to facilitate filing of electronic records with the government. That is to provide the legal infrastructure for e-commerce in India. So, what is the purpose of this IT Act 2000? To provide the legal infrastructure for e-commerce in India, and it was notified on 17th October 2000. Third point here, the Act was later amended in December 2008 through the IT Amendment Act 2008. It provided additional focus on information security. In 2008, it provided additional focus on information security. Previously, it was to provide the legal infrastructure for e-commerce in India. But in 2008, it provided additional focus on information security. It has added several new sections on offences including cyber terrorism and data protection. The IT Act 2008 came into force from October 27, 2009 onwards. So, IT Act 2008 came into force from October 27, 2009 onwards. It includes digital signatures, e-governance, offences and penalties, amendments to other laws. So, these are the points related to this IT Act. Now, there are some more points: cyber law, cyber crimes and IPR issues. This cyber law. Cyber law, it is a generic term which refers to all the legal and regulatory aspects of Internet and World Wide Web. It's a generic term, cyber law. Just like other laws, it is a law related to cyber. So, it's a generic term which refers to all the legal and regulatory aspects of Internet and World Wide Web. Cyber crimes, the Cambridge Dictionary defines cyber crimes as crimes committed with the use of computers or relating to computers, especially through the Internet. Universally, cybercrime is understood as an unlawful act wherein the computer is either a tool or a target or both. It is committed in an electronic medium. Next point is IPR issue. IPR, intellectual property. IPR, intellectual property. It may be defined as a product of the intellect that has commercial value. It may be defined as a product of the intellect that has commercial value, including copyrighted properties such as literary or artistic works, and ideational property. Ideational, or we can say it is related to our thought or idea. So, the term IP reflects the idea that its subject matter is the product of the mind or the intellect. This could be in the form of patents, trademarks, geographical indications, industrial designs, layout designs of integrated circuits, plant variety protection and copyright. IP can be protected through law. So, this is IPR, intellectual property. So friends, I hope this video is helpful for you all. Thank you. Please like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel presented by Shikha Sambarkar. Thank you.